Ounty. What about Odun?
Odun.
Ah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give it to them.
Meaning you are speechless.
Yeah, you're speechless.
Light. Give me something light. Give me something light. I'm not really hungry. Something light.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Kenny from Vickaakin. Today I'm going to be making porridge, yam porridge. It is called asarelepo. You know, that's the way we pronounce it, the Yoruba people in Nigeria. Asaro is made out of yam with palm oil and some pepper and some, you know, fish or whatever you want to put in it. But today it's funny, like I was like checking YouTube and I came across Sissy Yemi. I think that's what her name is, Sissy Yemi. She made asaro, she made porridge, yam porridge, and it happens that she uses the same recipe that my mom uses, because my mom she's not here, she's in Nigeria, but whenever I cook I use her recipe, and the only difference that she did was she put ejakika, smoked fish, and I usually put panla, dry fish. And another different thing is that she did not use tomato paste. I'm going to be using tomato paste, but so I'm going to be making this porridge. All of my friends have been waiting for this porridge, so as my friends know, you know, I'm like the cook of the group. Oh, cook of the group. Okay, stop. Anyway, so I'm gonna make this food. I'm gonna make this porridge, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do this. I need to go right now, but before I go, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you love this video, please click the like button and share it. But one thing you don't want to do, please do every other thing, but do not dislike this video. I'm begging you, mon bebe. Anyways guys, so do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like I said before, also follow me on Instagram, on Snapchat. My Instagram name is my YouTube name, Vickaakin. My Snapchat name is Kakin06. When you add me, do not hesitate to say hi, you know, let me know, you know, we can alright, I gotta go guys. Alright, let's go. So right now I have the yam already diced it. It was in the freezer. This is the best way to, like, you know, preserve your yam. If you don't want it to get bad, cut it up, put it in a Ziploc plastic, and put it in the freezer. This is pepper, is already boiled and cooked, and this is ejakika. This is a roasted type of fish. It is vegetable oil. This is salt. This is maggi. This is thyme. This is curry, and this is palm oil. Okay, so let's do this voiceover thingy. So the first thing you're gonna do is put the palm oil in the fry pan. Make sure the fry pan is dry, and then you're gonna add the vegetable oil and wait for it to thin out a little bit. After then, you put the pepper. The pepper that I blended consists of bell pepper, habanero pepper, and tomatoes. And I also added onions, garlic, and ginger. Once you put the pepper in, you put your spice and you cover it. You let it sit on the stove and let it cook on low heat for about, you know, 5 minutes. And then now you want to add your roasted fish, and then you cover it too, and also let it cook together. The fish has to soak in all the juice, all the pepper and the sauce and the spice. So you let it cook for a little bit, and then you go back and put water. You put water as much as you want. Do not put too much water. Put more water when you need it. And then you cover it and let it cook. Let it boil up for about 5 minutes. Put your yam in there and cover it, and do not forget to taste after you put water, so you know what your yam is going to taste like when it's done cooking. So the rest of the process is just to keep going back and forth to make sure it's soft. Break the yam a little bit with the wooden spoon when you're stirring, you know, just to give you a little bit thickness and a thick yam. in Nigeria.